Hi everyone, let's create a book from a story you write in your class. Yes, you heard me right, it's going to be beautiful. Have a look at it. You can do it for free. Can you imagine? Let's start. So open Canva. You know it's free for teachers, right? And you can access everything, which is absolutely amazing for our project. Choose book cover. Now, let's check out some of the templates and choose one for us and then do all the changes we'd like. Let's ask Magic Media to create a princess. Let's remove the background. What do you think? Wow, right? Now let's continue and add some pages because we want to create the story in a beautiful setting, and that's what we're going to do. We can ask Magic Media to continue our creations, and this is a really good image. Position the image and let's start decorating the page and writing our text. To make it easier and more quickly, I'm going to ChatGPT and ask for a little story. But imagine you have the story of your class. Here you can illustrate it and create the book. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to write the story as I told you, and it's going to be very small for the purpose of just showing you how to do this, right? Let's use it now. So let's illustrate with some stars, with some hearts. Let's add some colors because that makes the whole text more appealing, don't you think? We want to keep the same character, so what can we do that is simple? We can use the same image, take out the background and try to replace it for another one. Right? Now let's try removing the background and adding some decorations with elements on Canva. What do you think about the result? In elements, let's look for a lantern. And you can look for anything here. You'll find it. Now let's add some elements with Magic Edit. Let's put a star on her hand, because that's what the text says. Let's end with a castle and a starry night. That looks like a painting we all know. I asked Magic Media to create a cat waving because that's going to be the back cover of my book. And now let's create the book. Ready? Click on share, then click on more. Go to design, Handsign books, Flipbooks. Save all 7 pages. Ready? Let's check out the result. And here you go. You have a book and it's lovely and it's from your class. How amazing is this? And this is just an example. You can do it so much better than I did, and you can use other image creators outside Canva and then upload them and use them and have better images. This is just an example. Now all you have to do is share. You get a link and you send it to everyone you know, because this is fabulous and this is beautiful. Well, I have so many amazing AI tools for you. Check out the playlists. You have free AI tools that will help you in every project you want to do. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for your new projects. Thank you so much for watching and being here with me on my journey. Bye bye for now.